Welcome to Foreseeson Technology. For over 23 years, we've helped hundreds of companies build quality electronics products in Canada. Based in Richmond, British Columbia, we're proud to dedicate over 40,000 square feet of world-class manufacturing space to perfecting your electronics products. Our manufacturing capabilities are vast and include advanced speedy prototyping, precise SMT assembly, hardware and firmware design, parts sourcing services, UBGA rework, X-ray inspections, conformal coding, logistics, 3PL, and more. Since 2001, we've served a wide variety of industries, including medical, consumer electronics, mass communications, automotive, marine, and securities. At Foreseeson EMS, we believe qualifications and quality to hand in hand. That's why we're ISO 9001 and 14001 certified, as well as being ISO 13485, medical, UL, CSA, and FCC compliant. No matter what industry you serve, we all appreciate transparency and honesty. That's why our customers enjoy 24/7 real-time production monitoring and yield data on our proprietary client portal. We're a proudly Canadian company with over 100 employees with diverse backgrounds and experiences from all over the globe. We understand that every product and company is different, so at Foreseeson EMS, you'll be greeted with designated project managers and engineers to help you through all types of projects, including full turnkey manufacturing needs. Book a tour today or visit us online at www.foreseeson.com.